Did you ever try to hatch an egg by yourself when you were a kid? One night when I was sitting in my kitchen, my oldest was kind of pacing back and forth from her bedroom to the laundry room to her bedroom and just kind of giving off nervous energy. Suspicious. We made eye contact, and then she came over to me and she timidly said that she had accidentally cracked an egg inside of her bed. She had raw egg just smushed into her sheets. So I shared a story with her. This was my response of when I was her age. I really wanted to hatch a chicken, so I took a raw egg out of the fridge and I put it under my pillow and I sat on it. I had crushed it all over my bed and my bedding, and I had eggs and yolk everywhere. We talked about how I had the same idea as her when I was her age, and that it's normal to be curious. I watched her whole body relax as we just kind of laughed about the idea of hatching chickens in our bedroom. I shared this with her for a couple reasons. Reason one is because it helped her feel less alone. Like, I am a grown-up and I also did this when I was your age. But also that I'm a real person and people make mistakes and all mistakes are reparable. So she just went ahead and washed her bedding, and that was that. This moment of connection is the foundation of responsive parenting. We talk about this and many more ways to connect creatively with your neurodivergent child in our series that we're opening again soon, Responsive Parenting for Neurodivergent Children.